Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to your homework this week, shown in the box method. If you prefer to use traditional, please switch videos. Remember, I record both of these in both aspects so that you can see your math in the way that makes sense for you. With that, let's dive in. Remember, when we're using the box method, we're using what we know about expanded form to break our problem into bite-sized pieces. So when we take our 47, it's going to be 40 and 7. When we break up our 11, it's going to be 10 and 11. We multiply where the boxes meet. 4 times 1 is 4. We have 2 zeros. 4 times 1 is 4. We have 1 0. 1 times 7 is 7. We have a 0. And 1 times 7 is 7. When we stack 470, 40, and 7, and we add them up, we have 517 is our answer. If at any point this is too fast, please pause it and rewatch as needed. 45 gets broken into 40 and 5. 47 gets broken into 40 and 7. 4 times 4 is 16. We have 2 zeros. 4 times 5 is 20. We have another 0. Watch your zeros on that one. 7 times 4 is 28, add a 0. 7 times 5 is 35. When we stack up 1,600, 200, 280, and 35, we add them all together, we get 2,115. Moving right along. 31 broken down is 30 and 1, 70 and 6. 7 times 3 is 21. We have 2 zeros. 7 times 1 is 7. We have a 0. 6 times 3 is 18. We have a 0. 6 times 1 is 6. When we stack 2,100, 80, 70, and 6, and we're lining up our place value, we have 2,356. Okay, 2,356. Moving right along. 78 and 32. We have 70 and 8, 30 and 2. 7 times 3 is 21, 2 zeros. 3 times 8 is 24, 1 0. 7 times 2 is 14, 1 0. 2 and 8 is 16. So we have 2,100, 240, 140, 16. We stack and add them. We get 2,496. See if I can get a little bit more visual space for you guys if I turn it this way. All right, there we go. Sliding over here. That's a little bit better, a little more visual space for you loves. All right, so we have 40 and 9, 50 and 4 using what we know about expanded form. 5 times 4 is 20. Oh, don't want to change my pen. Let's clear that up. All right, 5 times 4 is 20. There we go. Don't forget to bring your 2 zeros. There's a 0 and 20, but we also have 2 zeros in this problem. 5 times 9 is 45, 1 0. 4 times 4 is 16, 1 0. 9 times 4 is 36. When we stack these, we have 2,000, 450, 160, 36. These add up to 2,646. Last one for this page, we break it down to 10 and 8, 20 and 1. 2 times 1 is 2, we have 2 zeros. 2 times 8 is 16, we have 1 0. 1 times 1 is 1 and a 0. 1 times 8 is 8. We stack them, we add them, and we get 378. That's the end of the review for this page. If you are done, please go ahead and stop. But if you are looking for page number 2, hang tight because here we go. Still working on box multiplication. This is now page 2 of your assignments. Breaking down 44. We have 40 and 4. We have 70 and 4. 7 times 4 is 28, 2 zeros. 7 times 4 is 28, 1 0. 4 times 4 is 16. 1, 0. 4 times 4 is 16. When we stack and we add, lining up our place values carefully, we get 3,256. Break it down. 20 and 9, 10 and 9. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 zeros. 1 times 9 is 9, 1 0. 9 times 2 is 18, 1 0. 9 times 9 is 81. We stack, we add, and we get 551. Question number 3. Break it down. 30 and 5, 70 and 8. 7 times 3 is 21, 2 zeros. 7 times 5 is 35, 1 0. 3 times 8 is 24 and a 0. 5 times 8 is 40. We stack, we add, and we get 2,730. Question number 4. Break it down. 70 and 6, 60 and 1. 7 times 6 is 42, 2 zeros. 6 times 6 is 36, 1 0. 7 times 1 is 7 and 1 0. 1 times 6 is 6. We stack, we add, we get 4,636. Again, feel free to pause and rewatch as needed. 44 times 57, break it down. 40 and 4, 50 and 7. 5 times 4 is 20 and 2 zeros. 5 times 4 is 20 and a 0. 7 times 4 is 28, 1 0. 7 times 4 is 28. We stack. Watch our zeros on this. Line it up carefully. When we add these together, we get 2,508. Last one for page number 2. Break it apart. Use expanded form. 8 times 3 is 24, 2 zeros. 3 times 6 is 18 and a 0. 5 times 8 is 40 and a 0. 5 times 6 is 30. And we stack them. We add them very carefully. And we get a 0 and 11 and a 0 and a 3. 3,010. 3,010. That's the end of page number 2. If you are ready to stop, please do so. If you're looking for page number 3, hang tight because it's coming your way right now. Welcome to page number 3, my loves. 59 times 36. Break it down into pieces. 5 times 3 is 15 and 2 zeros. 3 times 9 is 27 and a 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Don't forget your 0. 6 times 9 is 54. We stack, we add, and we get 2,124. Over here, we break it down. We use expanded form because we're so smart. 5 times 7, 35, 2 zeros. 5 times 4 is 20 and a 0. 7 times 7 is 49 and a 0. 7 times 4 is 28. We stack, we add, and we get 4,218. 4,218. Question number 3, break it down to 30 and 8, 90 and 6. 9 times 3 is 27, 2 zeros. 9 times 8 is 72 and a 0. Remember with our 9s, our answer, if we add our digits, should add up to 9, right? Quick check. 2 plus 7 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9. I know that they are good because we use that quick check. All right, peeking back in, 6 times 3 is 18. Oh, no. I anchored my iPad. There we go. All right, 6 times 3 is 18 and a 0. 6 times 8 is 48. We stack. We add. We line up our place value and we get 3,648. Moving on, break it down. Now this one, we have a 0. So when we break it down, it's 50. Oh, how many ones? There's 0, right? 50 and 0, 90 and 2. 5 times 9 is 45 two zeros. 9 times 0 is 0. You don't need to add a 0 to that, right, loves? 2 times 5 is 10 and a 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Easy peasy lemon squeezy for this one. We're adding up 4,500, 100. We don't need the zeros. 4,600 is our final. 2 more on this page. Break it down. 60 and 5, 70 and 1. 6 times 7 is 42 two zeros. 7 times 5 is 35, a 0. 6 and 1 is 6, add 0. 1 and 5 is 5. 4,200. 350. 60 and 5. We get 4,615. Last one, sliding over, break it down to 50 and 3, 10 and 2. 5 times 1 is 5. We have 2 zeros. 3 times 1 is 3. We have a 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Don't forget your 0. 3 times 2 is 6. We stack. We add, and we get 636. That is the end of page 3. If you are done, please stop your video. If you are looking for page 4, hang tight, because here it comes. Welcome to page 4, my loves. We are doing box multiplication, so let's dive right in. Break it down to 30 and 9, 80 and 6. 8 times 3 is 24 two zeros. 8 times 9 is 72 and a 0. Remember our nines trick. Add our digits. They should equal 9. 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9. My answer is fine. 6 times 3 is 18 and a 0. 6 times 9 is 54. Again, check it. 5 plus 4 is 9. If it's 9, my answer's fine. All right, stack and add. 2,400, 720, 180, 54. I stack, I add, I get 3,354. Moving on, remember the 0, break it down. 60 and 2, 20 and 0. 2 times 6 is 12. I have 2 zeros. 2 times 2 is 4. I have a 0. 0 times anything is 0. 0 times anything is 0. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I stack and add. 1,240. All right, moving on to question number 3. Again, we're on page 4. Break it down to 50 and 9, 10 and 3. 5 times 1 is 5. Add 2 zeros. 9 times 1 is 9. Add a 0. Give it a check. Is 9 plus 0 9? Yes, my answer is fine. 3 times 5 is 15. Add our 0. 3 times 9 is 27. Check it. 2 plus 7 is 9. My answer is fine. 500, 150, 90, and 27 adds up to 767. Break it down to 10 and 8 and 40 and 6. 4 times 1 is 4. We add 2 zeros. 4 times 8 is 32, a 0. 6 times 1 is 6. We add our 0. 6 times 8 is 48. We stack. We add, and we get 828. 828. Last 2. Break it down to 30 and 3 and 50 and 3. 5 times 3 is 15, add 2 zeros. 5 times 3 is 15, add 1 zero. 3 times 3 is 9, I have a 0. 3 times 3 is 9. We stack, we add, and we get 1,749. Last one for page number 4. Break it down to 70 and 4 and 40 and 2. 7 times 4 is 28, 2 zeros. 4 times 4 is 16 and a 0. 7 times 2 is 14 and a 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. We stack, we add, and we get 3,108. That is the end of page number 4. If you are done, please stop here. If you are looking for page number 5, hang tight, because here we go. Welcome to page number 5. This is the last page. This is the last page. Let's do this. 40 and 4, 20 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. We have 2 zeros. 2 times 4 is 8. We have a 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Add a 0. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. And 4 times 4 is 16. We stack, we add, and we get 1,056. Moving on. As you can see, I'm fighting a timer. 30 and 4 and 70 and 2. 7 times 3 is 21, 2 zeros. 7 times 4 is 28, 1 0. 2 times 3 is 6. We add a 0. 2 times 4 is 8. We stack, we add, and we get 2,448. All right, 4 more. Can I beat my timer? Yes, I can. 20 and 9, 60 and 4. 6 times 2 is 12. We have 2 zeros. 6 times 9 is 54, 1 0. 4 times 2 is 8. We have a 0. 4 times 9 is 36. We stack, we add, and we get 1,856. Break it down to 20 and 4, 240 and 7. 4 times 2 is 8. We have 2 zeros. 4 times 4 is 16 and a 0. 7 times 2 is 14 and a 0. 7 times 4 is 28. We stack, we add, and we have 1,128. 2 more. Here we go. 50 and 2 and 30 and 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Add 2 zeros. 3 times 2 is 6. We have a 0. 5 times 2 is 10. We have a 0. 2 times 2 is 4. And now we stack. Make that on 1. Sorry, friends. There we go. We add and we have 1,664. Last one. 70 and 4 and 10 and 8. 7 times 1 is 7. Add 2 zeros. 4 times 1 is 4. No, don't switch it right now. Is 4. We have a 0. 8 times 7 is 56, 1 0. 8 times 4 is 32. We stack, we add, we have 1,332. That is the end of our homework for this week, and I have beat the timer. Have a great week.